Hello, I'm Srijan Shin of IT department. So I have created this website, Kolkata Taxi Services. So let me take you to the code. So this is basically the code, Kolkata Taxi Services, and this is basically the home page. First, it was designed to be the navigation bar, but I got into the flow and created the home page itself in it. So this Navic. This has been this is actually the navigation bar that is here on navic.js. I've imported and created the customer components, and this project is built using React. So yes, there's that. This is the hero front. Hero front is basically the uh, main page that one sees on landing. This is the card components that have been made using React Bootstrap. This is the card components. This is first card set our. This is our first card set. This is this is the slider. This is the slider EV1 that displays our events. So let us take you to that. This is our slider. We're using React Bootstrap that will describe our events. And next comes is our another card set that is also created using React Bootstrap. This is that. Great. And this is our let's connect section. That is basically a form that is created there. And this is our footing that is located in footing.js. It is here, footing.js. Then we come to FAQ section. It is actually a dynamic web page the, that is located that is used that uses router to dynamically allocate it itself. Means so it takes no reload time to load the this separate web page. Similarly, signup.js is also another dynamic web page. It is actually created to connect the backend since time didn't permit, so we couldn't do it. This is our style.css that contains the styling of the entire project. It is this uh, style. It is the styling file for them. Yes. So let's come to app.js. This is app.js. As you can see, we have implemented router and connected FAQ and sign up from there. Then it is done. Now let's go to terminal and let's run it. Before that, let us first end this. This was previously running. So to do this, we will write npm start. It will take a bit of time. Yes, it is almost done. Yes. So this is in my local system, localhost, local server. It is. So as you can see, this is my navbar. Created a bit of uh, hover effect. Hover effect. So these all up to fleet are section navigation links. It will take to specific sections, and FAQ and sign up are separate dynamic web pages as mentioned earlier. So this is my hero front. When I press this contact us button, when I press this, it will open a mailing page that will mail me to this link, to this email. I mean, great. This is about a section. This will and when we click on this button, it uses a WhatsApp API, so it will take us to there. This is first card set. This is our first card set that contains all of our services. But and when we create a book now, click on book now, it will show the feature is not ready yet since I couldn't apply the Google Maps system here. so the system is not ready yet. This is our first slider, the only slider actually. It describes our events. So this is our first slider. Great. Again, we talk about another card set. This is another card set that describes our fleet or the group of vehicles that we have. This is a Kolkata taxi website. So yeah, and when we click on book now, this feature is not ready yet. And this is our contact us section that contains the some message that you can submit some message. But since backend has been not connected, this is not ready yet. Uh, these are the services. This is the footer. I mean, this is the footer. I've loaded and submitted, and these were the blank spaces kept for icons of different social media links. So this was the footer. So these are blank link and will take me to the top home page. Yeah, and so let me navigate you through different sections. So when I click on services, I'll come here to my services bar section. When I click on events, it will take me to the slider that actually describes our events. And when we click on about, similarly it will take us to about section. And last two, these two are the dynamic web pages. This is the dynamic web page. Again, it has been seen. And another sign up. This is also a dynamic web page. So we can type and let's try to submit it. Since it is an email type, so since it is not an email type, it will not get submitted. See, it will show still incomplete. Now it will take, but since these are also password is a required field, so it will not submit. And when I will submit it, unfortunately, since it is not connected in backend, so yes, it will not be stored in the backend. That's another thing. So next I want to show you that I have pushed my files to GitHub. This is my GitHub repo. This is my GitHub account, webdevchamp, and this is my GitHub repo that I have created it. And also I have hosted it in this Kolkata in Versal app. So when I click on it, the hosted link will appear. Yes. So this is the hosted link. I have produced it in the report also. So this is it, and let's see if the dynamic web pages work or not. Yes, the dynamic web pages also work. See, so on clicking on this, there is no reloading. Though they are a separate web page, there is no reloading that takes place. That's the advantage of React and routers. So thank you for your time, and this is all. Thank you.